Here is a popular song by Datuk Cladius Sundang Alex during the twist era of the 1960s. Until today this song has remained a hit, especially during wedding celebrations.
Kanau sumazau sazau da tabung sohor ngavi bakazan Yesu ini noitan komozan da twist kuzu ondinan hibang banan intangan hakos ada kehogot sumazau da twist duva miu hit sanang ginabo sopi dulubo mai dahiban kesusahan ikah tokono dan pemagunan. Kanau sumazau sazau da tabung sohor ngavi bakazan Yesu iti noitan komozan da twist kuzu ontinan gibang banan intangan hakos ada kehogot sumazau da twist duva miu hit sanang ginabo sopi dulubo mai dahiban kesusahan ingkah tokono dan pemagunan.
What a wonderful song it is, and if we listen more attentively we also hear the background voice of a man from among the band members adding more dynamics to the music suited with the beat and the mood that Chubby Checker created in his 1960 hit song The Twist. Perhaps you may be wondering who is making the background voice in the song. Let us listen to it once again.
Kanau sumazau sazau da tabung sohor ngavi bakazan Yesu iti noitan komozan da twist kuzu ontinan gibang banan intangan hakos ada kehogot sumazau da twist duva miu hit sanang ginabo sopi dulubo mai dahiban kesusahan ingkah tokono dan pemagunan.
From my conversation with Datuk Cladius, I was told that the background voice came from none other than the drummer of the band. The drummer was JOHN FABIAN. John Fabian has also recorded a song entitled BAINO KOMIHO ZOU, or in English Now I Know. To all listeners, let us now hear and enjoy John Fabian's song.
BAINO ZOU KOMIHO
You have just been watching Andog 1961 YouTube channel. Thank you for listening, and please subscribe to this channel for more entertaining content.